Hello, my name is Tom Taylor and I'm the CEO of Futraheat. Here at the Hepworth Brewery, we are installing our pilot Greensteam 330 product concept to showcase our game-changing high-temperature heat pump turbo compressor technology as part of this craft brewer's ambitious program to decarbonise its operations. The Greensteam 330 is a pioneering type of industrial heat pump designed to boost waste heat by 30 degrees and deliver process steam up to 130 degrees centigrade, exactly the type of heat this brewery requires. Heat is a vital component of many industrial processes, from pharmaceuticals to food, and of course, brewing beer. And much of this is in the crucial 100 to 200 degrees centigrade range. This is what we deliver. And by adopting Futraheat's heat pump technology, industrial users such as Hepworth can cost-effectively cut process energy use by up to 90%, radically reducing both energy bills and CO2.
For a brewery like this, we are burning a lot of fuel to create steam to do the heating for us. Steam is a good medium because it has a good thermal transfer. However, to create that, it's superheated steam. We have to burn quite a lot of fuel oil. And the Futraheat heat pump is taking the steam as it condenses back to steam that we can use with electrical energy, not fuel oil. At the moment, the projection is that the energy we need to put into keeping the boil going will be reduced to 6. And that is a lot of heat. There'll be electrical energy. Well, if we can generate that from our own solar power, that is actually very inexpensive. So there's quite a lot of cost savings involved there. And so we have to be sustainable from an economic point of view, and we will look very hard to make sure that happens.
The key to our heat pump is TurboClaw, a game-changing turbo compressor technology suited to smaller sub-megawatt applications and specifically designed to operate at high temperatures, low speeds and without any oil. The CapEx and OpEx benefits afforded by TurboClaw allows the development of heat pumps which can deliver affordable process steam up to 200 degrees, paving the way to accelerated market adoption. The Greensteam 330 here is a first pilot model, but the Greensteam concept is scalable, and we are now working on a Greensteam 360 unit. This will deliver a 60-degree temperature lift with its two-stage TurboClaw design, offering process steam up to 150 degrees. As we are seeing here at Hepworth Brewery, our TurboClaw compressor technology is enabling a forward-thinking business to adopt a low-carbon route to delivering process steam. We believe it's a game-changing technology which can enable many industrial users to easily and affordably decarbonise operations.